So dito naman sa GCash account number ay syempre yung ating GCash mobile number. Ayan, and then after that, click na po natin itong redeem now. Ayan, so dito guys, i-confirm lang po natin na tama yung information na inilagay po natin sa withdrawal. So kung tama naman, tap na po natin itong yes. Ayan, success. You should receive your payment within 3 business days. So hanggang 3 days nga lang po yung pwede nating hintayin dito guys para ma-receive yung ating withdrawal. So ganun lang guys kadali mag-withdraw dito sa GCash. At kung trip nyo naman po mag-withdraw sa PayPal, ay enter nyo lang po dito yung inyong PayPal email address and then tap nyo po dito yung amount. And then after that, click nyo po ulit itong redeem now. So